Mm?
4.5 hours tonight. But I also gotta fix my audio before I get White's Hotel? Yeah, I already figured that out at least, which is good. Was when is it? Beginning of July.
Mm?
Like, what if it's for VIP tickets and like
Think I like this little
we can
life.
get you there. Yeah, we have time. We have time. Nope.
Think I like
Why did my audio
this
already
little
break?
life.
What did I even do? What did I even do? What did I even do wrong? What the fuck? The song is skipped, no, it's just TV. Oh yeah, right, you guys are here too. For some reason, maybe it's a Windows 11 thing, 'cause I've never had this problem with my computer back home. But basically the microphone on these headphones keeps fucking up my audio, so I have to uninstall the drivers for the microphone every time I reboot my PC. Every time. Like, why? So penis, how you been?
The art room. Give me a word. Come on, let's do this. You spread it.
Be real, there's no way. Say Monday. But how about you? We're doing good. We're about to see if we can run Hell There's no way it's you, though, right? I can't believe that. If you actually get your PC off TV, I thought it was a joke. It's not actually off TV, but it was having a really hard time running any games last Yes, he is! The fuck? 92.
Mm? Huh?
Really can't hurt you. Stinky bastard. How you reading it today? What? Oh, slay. Wait, why can't you guys?
What the fuck?
I'm good. I want to hear that. What you been up to today? Here we go. Living your life. Always ridiculous. I know what you mean. Mercury sold the bag for $5.
Banana.
Drinks for like a bottle service kind of thing is specific seats and booze. Yeah, makes sense. Bottle service is fucking crazy prices, bro.
Over here. It's not that serious.
Campy.
I hope it doesn't work chatting for life. Oh, you know what? I know y'all want
No, no.
that drum, my ego in the show. Sorry. My vibrator's safe and it's long. Just give it a second, guys. Don't worry about it.